Hey guys, so welcome to another one of our creating programs to be able to make yourself stand out series. And in this video, we're going to be talking about caring for the caregiver. That's one program that you guys should actually create, okay? So let's go ahead and talk about that. Now, as home health agencies and home care companies, we have to understand that we're not the only one that is providing care for our patients or for our clients, okay? We also have their family members, their neighbors who can be the full-time caregivers for these patients. And so with that said, is that one of the best ways to be able to gain more referrals is if we actually have a care for the caregiver program by us allowing ourselves to be able to train family members who are more likely overwhelmed with the problems that are happening with their loved ones, and at the same time is this is some area they may not be used to. We might want to be able to care for them as well. How do we care for them? We want to be able to educate them and provide them a caregiver training program and support where we can actually sit down with them and actually answer all the questions that they may actually have. We can do this in a one-on-one basis, but at the very same time as that can be very costly and losing a lot of time for your organization. Countless organizations out there, as well as organizations I've worked with that I've owned, is what we did is we created a care to caregiver program where we actually have a lot of ebooks, a lot of training that we can give them that is available online, like videos. Nowadays, one of the best things to do is to be able to actually provide the videos, like I said. Have a section in your website or separate website where you can actually provide education to caregivers, to the family members, to their loved ones on possible information that they may want to look up. Don't just give them websites where they can go to and just go ahead and learn. You should actually make your website a place where they keep on coming back to be able to gain more training. There are companies out there that can provide these services for you that can be attached to your website. Let us know, and we can definitely direct you guys to which companies are a good source of information to put into your website. Remember one thing, you want to be able to brand your organization by doing services, by allowing people to keep on coming back to your website. That is one of the biggest things that you guys can do. And so one thing is you can use other companies that already has created programs, but at the very same time as you can create these videos as well at a low cost, but at the same time as brand the videos yourselves so the videos actually has your logo, your phone numbers, and at the same time as you can even start putting and uploading some of these videos for free on YouTube and actually use YouTube in a way to be able to referrals and brand recognition for your company. You have to understand YouTube is a search engine. If you actually know how to use YouTube correctly, providing training and education on YouTube is a great way to, at the same time as gain more clients. I'll tell you guys one thing, all the agencies that we own actually have our own YouTube channels, which ranks up in the city that we're in. So at the same time as if somebody does search YouTube for home care services for our loved ones in a particular city, we will rank up there and we're going to be able to get more clients that way. We get an average of about 10 to 15 clients a month just from our YouTube channel alone. And so this is something that you guys should actually look into as well and see if this is something that you guys want to work with. Now, if you have any other questions regarding creating a care for the caregiver program, please let us know. Our goal is just to be able to keep on giving you guys information that's going to be able to be helpful for you to be able to stand out among the competition. Always understand that home health marketing is easy when you know what you're doing.